Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is related to the top trending 40 plus, 50 plus and 60 plus age ladies haircuts and hair dye. You're looking so gorgeous, you're looking so amazing. Age is just a number. Don't waste your time with other channels and motivate yourself with the haircuts and enjoy your age and enjoy the life, change your life, ignore the boring things, but haircuts are the mood changing technique, and if you take any haircut, your personality and your mood and your needs wants is automatically change. You like to eat something, and you like each and everything, and it is just a number. My every video is related to the 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus age ladies who are interested in the shortcut, bob cut, haircuts ideas. So watch the video guys, like the video and to share my videos on daily basis. One of the best platform, easy, and you take any screenshot that you like, and which haircut is best for you and suit on your face, round face shape, and you see the girls are looking so amazing and looking so gorgeous and looking so cute. You look also, but you have to utilize your time with the best channel, that is the Top Fashion Collection, one of the best platform guys you never seen. In this collection you see the 50 plus ideas, 50 plus shortcut hair ideas, and I prefer you only the short haircuts, not and the mid length, not too long, and your personality is very important, and age is just a number. You look amazing, you groom your personality, enhance your abilities, enhance your skills, and your level of confidence is high when you take any haircut and you take any step for yourself, and love yourself and like yourself. And my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection is very best because is a number 40, 50 and 60 plus age ladies. Don't upset, don't depress, but when you see my channel Top Fashion Collection, you look so gorgeous and you look so crazy and feel very happy, and very bestest moment when you feel happy and enjoy the life and enjoy your daily routine. Take a screenshot and go to the salon and take haircut and change her personality. Watch the video till the end. The video is not stop. Don't skip the video, because my YouTube channel is available for you in 24/7 hours. Take care and bye bye. Don't skip the video. The video is continue. Take care. Bye bye.